guys, Milo Parker here. Today we're going to be trying out this OPENROAD Panther Series 13,500 pound winch. Let's get it opened up. You can visit OPENROAD4wheeldrive.com if you want to check out some more on this winch or see what else they have to offer. Social media is right there on the back of this catalog. Right on top I see, looks like we got a winch hook, which is really cool because it comes with a hook. Also got a little pull rope for the hook. Looks like this is going to be our ground cable. OPENROAD 4-wheel drive, fair lead. I didn't expect it to come with that, so I was thinking I was going to have to order one of those. It's like a wireless remote. Oh, a second wireless remote. And then have your wired remote with the out end. Now what we've all been waiting for. Synthetic rope too, little rope protector. The hook to go on, this is where your remote plugs in. This thing is actually really nice. IP68, it's raining here. I'm kind of excited for that because I don't have anything to cover it up with, so I'm sure that's going to help out. 3/8 winch rope is going to be super nice for recoveries, not having to deal with all that metal cable and stuff. This is the instruction manual for the winch. So let's take a look. This negative cable is just going to go right on the bottom terminal of the motor. This part's going to be different for everybody depending on what bumper you have. Mine makes it really easy to pull this skid plate off and you're able to access your winch mounting holes right on the top. If you're lucky like me, the bumper you purchase comes with pre-drilled holes for a winch. If not, you may have to buy a winch plate to set down in between your frame rails so that way you can mount the winch. Your hardware for the kit, you'll need a 5/8 socket to fasten the nuts to the bottom of the winch through your winch plate or bumper. These two here are going to be for the fair lead on the front. Let's go get her installed. Now you'll take your 4 winch mounting bolts and run them up through the bottom of the bumper into the winch. There's a bolt hole there. We'll run our bolt up through there. Give it a couple turns. Trying to capture what's in there. Looks like we got it. One more right over here. Got her that time.
What are you doing?
We're tightening these bolts underneath here.
Why?
Because it holds this winch on the bumper.
No, I put in this on now.
Or if we ever get stuck, they can pull us out.
If we go in the giant hole,
Like if we go in a giant hole, that rope will pull us out.
this is crazy.
The instructions say to torque it to 45 Newton meters. I want to feed that through there. Just like that. Pull the cotter pin out, and you're going to slip the hoop down in between right here. So that way, right here you can see this cotter pin will slide back through. The pin right here. Just like that. Now we need to get our hood opened up. Now you're ready to hook up your battery. You just run the cables over your grill like this. Just kidding, we're gonna make it look nice. Here, my positive and ground run underneath my grill. I snaked them up through here, ran them underneath the air box there, and over to the battery. I got my ground hooked up right here. Our positive is hooked up on our positive cable. With that said, this winch should work if I did everything right. We are in free spool to engage it when you turn it up. It's locked in, we'll give her a pull. Moment of truth. Maybe if I turn it on. There's our light. Now let's give it a try. That is so fast. Holy cow. Look at that. How could you not love that? 13,500 pound Panther Series winch from OPENROAD 4-wheel drive. You can check this out on our website if you want to learn more. IP68 waterproof rated. Super nice winch, guys. I think I want to have a lot of fun with this. I've never had one before. Super thankful to have this on the Jeep. Here I've got just a kinetic rope looped around the tree. Not as abrasive as a cable. Tree saver would be better. And then down here, I've just got a soft shackle loop through the hoops on that. And we've got our winch line here. And we'll just right through there like that. It looks good. Okay, let's get this baby engaged and the Jeep in neutral, and we'll start tensioning the rope. Let's go Jeep in neutral. So the winch is on, red light's on, we'll go in. Wait, we need to engage it. Let's go in. So we're just tightening up the slack. Nice and slow. Come back down here. So there you have it, guys. Open road 13,500 pound winch, the Panther Series, IP68 waterproof rated. You've seen it pulled my Jeep up that hill right there with ease. Super fast line speed, super fast nose spool. Really excited to put this thing to use. I've never had a winch before, so thank you to Open Road for allowing me the opportunity. This thing looks incredible on there. The quality is great. The wiring is great. I had just enough length to run it to my battery. It comes with a fairlead to protect your winch rope. It comes with a hook to everything. It comes with a little handle to pull your rope. I mean, this thing comes with everything you need to make a recovery happen.